Hey lovelies, don't you guys just love this toddler girls ombre contrast binding cami romper my beautiful princess is wearing on the screen right next to me? I purchased this on SHEIN for only $2.77 and it is in a size for 1 to 2 year olds. It's perfect for summer. Okay, I'm reading from my paper right now because my iPad crashed, so I'm going the old school way. Next up, we got the toddler girls two-piece with two-piece shorts for $7.02 on sale. It is also for 1 to 2 year olds. Don't you just look beautiful? I got one in burgundy and the other one in the color like peach. Okay, thirdly, we got the toddler girls three-piece solid rib cami dress for $3.50 for the pack. So as you can see here, she's wearing one in mustard, then she has one in gray and one in the beautiful black. Isn't it lovely? And I also got it for 1 to 2 year olds. For free, I've got the SHEIN baby one shoulder ruffle trim white dress for only $3.87 on sale. I got it in a size 18 to 24 months old. She's modeling it right here for you. Show my baby girl some love, guys. Show her some love. She's modeling for you guys. These are great for summer. Get it for your beautiful daughters. It's very girly. And ooh, oh my god, next up, don't you guys just love this beautiful baby floral embroidery applique puff sleeve contrast mesh dress? I only purchased this for $9.39 on the SHEIN website, and it is for 2 to 3 year olds, and it's in the color white. As you can see, the flowers are so lovely, guys, and you can take them to church for the summer in this. Next up, we got the one-piece denim baby bucket hat. I bought this for like only $2 on the website, and it is for 2 to 3 year olds, so you can take them to the beach, you can take them on a beautiful outing with this. Next up, I have the one-piece baby girls sun protection fisherman hat with floral pattern for only $3.83 for 1 to 2 year olds, and I bought it in the color baby blue. Last but not least, for like clothing and hat items, I have the one-piece baby girls flower pattern bucket hat for outdoor for only $3.40 for 1 to 2 year olds, and I purchased it in the color pink. Last but not least, I bought her this beautiful anti-slip jelly soft bottom baby shoes with waterproof PU leather surface, and I got it in a US size 7.5 and Canadian size 19, that would be, and it is for 1 to 2 year olds, and that is for only $7.80 on the SHEIN website. So this is all. This is a mini SHEIN girly summer haul. You guys head over to the website, you can purchase this. My thoughts on this, all of these items are super great. Most of them are made of polyester and spandex or polyester and cotton material. Don't forget the links are down below in the description, so you will be getting more information down there. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below, hit the notification bell. Until next time, bye, and show my princess some love.